Good evening. A cold case murder trial gets underway and the defense says they have the wrong guy. I'm Randy Meyer.
And I'm Kelsey Carlson. Thanks for joining us tonight. An Isanti man is charged with murdering a Minneapolis woman back in 1993. Fox 9's Paul Bloom joining us live from the courthouse. And Paul, prosecutors claim DNA linked him to the case, but he says he didn't do it.
Kelsey, Randy, this brutal slaying dates back nearly 30 years. It is a fascinating case involving genealogy databases, a dirty napkin, and bloody footprints left behind by somebody in bare feet at the crime scene. The question tonight is, does the state have the right man on trial for murder? The state's very first witness in a case dating back nearly 30 years was the victim's elderly mother, Betty Ekman. Ekman was shown this photo of daughter Jeannie Childs and broke down crying.
Jerry, did you want to say anything about your defense?
Talk to Steve Meshpresher if you have any comments, please, or questions.
The man on trial here, Jerry Westrom, a one-time pillar of his Cambridge Isanti community, business owner, hockey dad, accused of the brutal slaying of Childs in a Minneapolis public housing tower. During opening statements, prosecutors laid out their case. Unknown DNA found in several locations and on several pieces of evidence at the crime scene was eventually entered into a commercially available genealogy database years later, connecting to either Westrom or his brother. Cold case investigators would then surveil the now 66-year-old, following him to his daughter's hockey game in Wisconsin and grabbing a discarded napkin he had used to verify it was in fact his DNA. When they found Westrom's bare footprint matched the footprints left behind by the presumed killer, Westrom was indicted on a charge of premeditated first-degree murder.
It's a brutal crime. I mean, there's no question it's a first-degree murder. They just have the wrong person.
Westrom's attorney, Steve Meshpresher, disputed the evidence and how Westrom's DNA might have gotten inside the 21st floor unit inside Horn Tower. He argued Childs was a known prostitute and was killed in the apartment belonging to her then boyfriend, a pimp with a history of abusing women. His name, Arthur Gray. Gray is now dead. Given how much time has passed, no eyeball witnesses, and what he called initial shoddy investigative work, Meshpresher told the jury they must return a not guilty verdict. And as for other witnesses on this first full day of testimony, the state put on a buddy of Arthur Gray. Remember, Gray is the man, the alternative perpetrator introduced by the defense to this jury. And this buddy says he absolutely was with Arthur Gray the weekend Jeannie Childs was killed. In fact, they were at a motorcycle rally down in Milwaukee, so Gray wasn't even in the state when Childs was brutally stabbed to death. Witness testimony resumes here at the courthouse tomorrow morning. We're live inside the Government Center tonight. Paul Bloom, Fox 9.
All right, Paul, thank you.